Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Bierbox puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jean Claude Constantin from Germany and it was made from laser cut wood. Difficulty level of the Bierbox is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the Bierbox is obviously to open it. This puzzle is quite unusual puzzle box since it has two puzzles in one. First of all, it is a puzzle box which you have to open, and second, you have a packing puzzle right here on top. To open the puzzle box, you have to solve the packing problem on top, but if you notice, there are 6 magnets here, and there are magnets inside the box. So you have to put all 6 parts in such a way that you will match the magnets inside and on the pieces, and only then all the locks will be released and you will be able to open the puzzle box, since there can be a lot of different combinations how you can put 6 parts inside the frame, but only one will be the correct one when you will be able to open the box. If you like the Bierbox puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. As I told you, there are 6 parts here which you have to pack inside the frame in such a way that you release all the magnets, and there are some fake magnets inside, which makes it a little bit more challenging to solve the puzzle. You can, for example, grab one of the pieces, which one is smaller, and check where we have the magnets. So it looks like one magnet is here, another is here, there is the third one right here, here is another one, here we have 5, and here we have 6. So it is 6 magnets, and it looks like we have to put all 6 parts to match with the magnets. But how to do that? That is the tricky question. So the first piece goes right here on top, then I think that, oh, okay, now I have to find the way how to put them inside the box. Okay, I remember that this piece goes right in here, then this piece goes right here, and what's interesting, this magnet is released, this one is released as well, but with this piece we don't touch any magnets, so it just goes on top. Next we have this part, and it goes right here and it unlocks one of the pieces inside. The next part will be here and it unlocks a magnet here, and the last one goes right in here, and only then we will be able to open the box. And as you can see, it has a small lid here which you can open to see what's inside the box. And if you take a look inside, you will find that we have 5 metal bolts there which are held by magnets now. So for example, if I remove this one, it goes back since there is a piece with the magnet on top. But once the piece is removed, the metal part goes down and you can't open the box anymore. So you have to put everything back, put the magnet on top to unlock it. So that was the solution of the Bierbox. If you like this puzzle box and you want to try some other amazing puzzle boxes, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.